Kanna is pregnant!
Oh.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are here in Bangalore, almost 30 minutes from Bangalore airport. So this is a beautiful staycation that we have come here for. Saffron Stays is hosting us at this resort. Not a resort, it's a villa. So this vlog is going to be about our journey from Chennai to Bangalore, and I'm going to show you through this entire villa. It's super beautiful. I would really love for you to guys to see how it looks. Before getting to the video, if you're new here, I know a lot of you guys are new here. We are close to 23k subscribers. We are 23k subscribers. I hope I really hit 50k soon. So do hit the like, share and subscribe button. Let's get into the video. So we started from Chennai at about 6:30 in the morning and we stopped at this special place. We are here at the place where we all first met. Oh, hello, enga?
ஏங்க சொல்லுங்க நீங்க சொல்லுங்க நீங்க சொல்லுங்கண்ணா
ஏன் நீங்க சொல்ல மாட்டீங்களா?
ஆதிலட்சுமி இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ்.
Da da. So this is our college, Rajlakshmi Engineering College, where three of us first met. We studied in the same class. We wanted to go take a selfie, but then we didn't take the service road, so we skipped that plan. And now we are here at the Alankar restaurant near Ratnagiri, I think. This is the place we always stop at for breakfast. The breakfast is super good here, and also they have clean washrooms. That's one of the major reasons why we stop here. And tada! Our food is here. This is the ghee roast which Sandhya has ordered. Smells so good already. And this is the mini tiffin with puri, vade, idli, and kesari, upma. And mine and Amal's order is here. He has ordered pongal with vade, and I have just ordered my favorite vade as usual. A proper South Indian breakfast, and how could we not order the classic filter coffee? It's super nice here. You should definitely give it a try. Like I already mentioned, if you're traveling from Chennai to Bangalore, Alankar is the restaurant you need to stop at for breakfast, and trust me, you will not regret. Hi guys, எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டு தெம்பா உட்காந்துருக்காங்க guys. இப்போ நம்ம டிரைவரை பார்க்க போறோம். Our chauffeur for two days.
Hey, cameraman.
One hand la otukada. Anna. So we have a good news to share. The couple has a good news to share with us. Kanna is pregnant. I really appreciate your dedication, Kanna. In spite of being pregnant, you're driving. You're risking your life and the baby's life to take us to Bangalore.
Yeah. Will you pay me?
Kanna solla. We are pregnant na solla.
24 English pregnant.
கை வெட்டிக்கிட்டே ஓட்டுற
நீ வீடியோ எடுக்க நிறுத்த மாட்டேறியே.
எல்லாம் நீ சொல்லு கண்ணா என்னது
எதுவும் தெரியாது.
புளி மரம்
புளியங்கொட்டை.
So we are almost close to the stay, and it's about I think a 2 kilometer stretch. The roads are not very bad, but it's a little bumpy. Google Maps will take you to the exact location till the stay, so don't worry about it at all. Just this last a kilometer or two stretch is a little bumpy. And finally, here we are. You can see the Surabhi Villa board outside. So, this is the stay. Yes, we have finally arrived after a 6-7 hour drive from Chennai. The caretaker is here to welcome us, and wow, the property looks so beautiful. It's pretty, close to the airport, just 30 minutes from there. So we are welcomed with buttermilk, a welcome drink. Cheers!
Oh, see? Are you new to Bangalore?
All of us are super hungry, and just look at this spread. So they have an in-house chef who will cook everything for you. Just that you need to tell them in prior what are your requirements, like if it's veg or non-veg or both. So I think for 3 meals per day they charge you about 1,500 to 1,600. We were all super hungry. We didn't want to stop for lunch anywhere because we wanted to reach as early as possible. How is the pool?
எல்லாம் கொட்டி அழிங்க. நான் முதல்ல இருந்து சாப்பிடுறேன். நீங்க போய் பார்த்தா
Amazing.
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 Review.
Amazing.
Out of 5.
5.5.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Gonna top by after having lunch, guys.
இதல்லவா சுட சுட டீ குடிச்சோன்னு கொஞ்ச நாள் கழிச்சு
ஏய் இப்பதான் நான் சாப்பிட்டேன் அதுக்குள்ளே டீ கேட்குறேன்.
இதே வாக்கிங்
இன்னும் 3:30 தான் ஆகுது.
டீ பஜ்ஜி
அங்கே ஒரு டான்ஸ் போடுவோம் சாப்பிட்றதும் சரி.
Few moments later.
Ready. Out.
நம்மகிட்ட பெருசாக எதிர்பார்க்கலாச்சு. ஆமாம்.
In between the game, a small sneak peek of how beautiful the villa looks. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening.
1 hour later.
என்ன பண்றீங்க கைஸ்?
கேமரா எங்க இருக்கு?
ஐயோ கேமரா வச்சு எங்க இருக்கு தெரியல. சமாளிப்பா.
என்ன பண்ற?
வீடியோ எடுக்கிறேன். So
after some photo shoot time, some swimming pool time, and making some reels, we took some break. We rested for a while, and then we are here on the first floor. We're here to play carom. So it's almost 8 o'clock at night. We played some carom, Uno, and had some fun, chilled out a little bit. Like you can see, this is the first floor where we were just playing, and this is the ground floor, the garden. Everything is beautifully lit. It is looking very pretty, guys, at night with the Bangalore weather. I think it's almost 18 degrees. So as you walk towards the right hand side, you can see a beautiful swing with a swimming pool. Swimming pool is also well lit. When we reached here, it was I think about 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, so the lights were not on, obviously. It definitely looks like a perfect place to host any small events or parties, guys. Like very pretty. Just look at the lights. They've set it up very beautifully. And on request, they also set up a bonfire for you guys if you are really interested. And the best part, they also have a barbecue station, so perfect for this weather. And don't worry about the taste, guys, it's just heavenly. We spent some time alongside the barbecue and the pool, and now we are here at the projector room, which is on the first floor as well. Let me show you guys. Ready for the show, huh?
Yeah bro, படத்துக்கு போகுது.
So ticket please.
அஞ்சல் ஓ சாரி வீடியோவா?
நமக்கு மட்டும் ஏன் இப்படி எல்லாம் நடக்கிறது?
Ticket Thursday.
டிக்கெட் நஹி ஹே.
பின்னாடி
படியேறி நடக்கிற மாதிரியே ஒரு
ticket please.
படம் ஓட்டுறதே நான் தான்.
Ticket madam ticket. இவன கை குடுக்குறா.
வேணாமா வேணவே வேணாம் இந்த லோவெல்லாம் நம்ம கேரக்டருக்கு செட் ஆகாது.
We chilled at the projector room, watched some YouTube videos, and we are finally back here at the dining hall for some amazing food yet again. Guddu Bhaiya, the in-house chef here, definitely has some magic in his hands, guys. So if you're staying here, please don't order outside.
1 eternity later.
Hello guys, good morning. This is the next day morning, and I'm gonna take you on a villa tour, so come with me. As you enter, this is the villa, guys. And here we have the car parking. I think approx 4 cars can be parked here. You can see the aeroplane. It's very close to the airport, this location. On the left hand side, we have a small court, badminton, or you can play cricket. And I'll show you guys the room later because 2 of the rooms are occupied by us and it's a mess. As we go here, this side we have a seating area with a dining table and a couple of chairs. The space is very expansive. The lawn, it's very big, huge. As you turn this side, we have the swimming pool. We also have a baby pool here if you're traveling with kids. Definitely it's a steel. It's very beautiful. So look at this. The entire swimming pool. You can host your friends, approx say 10 guests max, I think they would host. And you come here, there's a swing. Very cute. We were literally playing here the entire time. Next to the swing, we have a small, a lawn kind of a place. So if you're setting up some food or like for pool parties, you can set up the DJ there, or this entire thing can be a dance floor. You can convert it however we want. And we had the bonfire as well last night, which was in this place. These aeroplanes are not letting me record. Give me a break, guys. Let's go to the, the villa where we are staying. So if you see here, we have 3 rooms. We have 1 room here, we have 1 room here, and we have another room here. So the caretaker stays here. There is a person who is always here to assist, and there are about 4 to 5 people. There are about 4 to 5 people, to take care of your, whatever, if you need something. And there's a kitchen here. So this is 1 room. This is another room that we are staying in. So both of these rooms are interconnected. I will show it to you when we are inside. So there's another entrance from there, and that's another room. So we have 3 rooms on the ground floor. And this is the kitchen, and we also have a small garden area here, and also there it's very green, very lush, beautiful. So this is the ground floor. Now let me take you upstairs. This is the kitchen. We're not allowed inside. This is, as we enter, we're gonna go here first. We're gonna go into this room. I don't know if it's locked. Let's see. No, it's not. So I can show you the room. This is the room on the top floor. There's a double bed, and we have the mirror. We also have the shower here. Look at this. Very clean, very hygienic. Nothing, no complaints. So this is the shower, mode, and all the toiletries and everything are in place. So this is the room, and this room on the upper floor also has a balcony. So this is the balcony, you can see, and this is the front side of the stay. This is where the car was parked, like I mentioned, this is where we entered from. So this is the upper floor room with the balcony. Yes, there's literally nothing around, like it's just the villa, and there are like small homes. It's basically a village. So very calm, no sound, nothing at all. Super green. Look at it. Next part of this villa. Hello. Let's go. So yeah, let's close the door. As we step out, this is the the veranda. What do you call this? I don't know. And we have another floor on top, but that's the terrace. There's literally nothing there. I mean, we it's just water tank and all of. This is the dining area on the first floor. This is where we had our lunch and dinner yesterday. So four of us were here sitting here. There's a huge dining space for about 10 to 15 people. And there's a couch set up here, so we were playing some games here yesterday. There's an armchair, there's a carom board. We were playing some carom and Uno last night. And so yeah, this is superb. Look at this. Just look at how beautiful it looks. Super green. So like I said, we're on the ground floor now, and since the other two rooms are occupied, I'll show you this room on the ground floor. This is again very similar to what our room looks like. There's a bed and the ones we saw, on top. Nice view, the outside as well, and there's like a seating space outside the room, bed, and same thing here as well. You have the restroom. And I don't know if this bathroom has it. Yeah, see this. Look at it. That's the end of the entire villa tour. If you ask me if there's anything to do nearby, I'm not sure because we're here only for a day and we don't have much time to go around. But there are a couple of vineyards nearby. If you're staying here for a day or two, then definitely you can check those out. Finally, to let you guys know about how to book this villa, I'm dropping the link in the description. You can click that and check according to your dates. The approximate pricing would come up to say 25 to 35k starting depending on the season. So if it's in December, peak season, then it would go maybe up to 60k also. And that is for the entire villa. You can check the exact pricing on the link that I've given below. We checked out from the first day and we are on our way to the next day, which is in
Mysuru.
almost next to Mysore. It's in Kabini. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.